Good day, everyone. I'd like to talk to you regarding the professional development training that is scheduled next week, March 18th, 19th, and 20th, for various groups here at ASD. The professional development will now be in the form of a workshop presented by a company called Blue Ivy. Blue Ivy is an employee valued proposition company. They will be working with the Human Resource Department to make observations and helping ASD to be viewed as an important and premier place to work. Blue Ivy will be conducting interviews, either one-on-one or with groups, to get your perspective on what it is like to work here. They will observe, and they will also disseminate a survey. And from the observations and the surveys and the discussions, they will then analyze and advise us how to make sure ASD is viewed as a great place to work. They'll also help with recruitment, making sure that we hire good quality employees to join us. That's the plan for next week's workshop, the 18th, 19th, and 20th. I invite you to come and participate and give your thoughts and suggestions on how we can improve the workplace here at ASD. You can also talk about why you are proud of working here, so that when a new employee comes, you'll be able to share all of the reasons why this is a great place to be working. Remember, the reason for making this happen is to continually improve the environment for our students that we serve on a daily basis. Thank you.